Hello, my dear YouTube family. How do you do? I hope you will be fine and doing great in your life and learning this language very well. I know very well. And if I talk about my health, so yes, I'm also pretty well and doing great in my life and learning this language very well. But my voice is not clear because my voice is not getting better at all. So that is why there is some problem in my throat nowadays because the season had changed, so that is why I suffering of this kind of problem, but doesn't matter. I'm okay, I'm fine and learning this language very well. My dear friends, you know very well today is day 21 of my speaking challenge, so that is why just I'm sitting outside of my house and recording myself. I'm doing practice in front of camera because it is very important for me to maintain my consistency and to speak every day because I don't want to miss any day of my speaking challenge. So I think it is very important if you want to improve your speaking skills. So this is your responsibility to maintain your consistency, to maintain your day every day. And I'm trying to do like this. I'm trying to maintain my consistency. I'm trying to speak more and more in front of camera nowadays. So dear friends, yes, so one more thing is that in this video I'm going to share with all of you some important tips and tricks to speak in front of camera, to do practice alone at home. So dear friends, this video is going to be very useful, going to be very beneficial. So my point is that if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, so please first of all subscribe my channel, press the bell icon so that you can get easily all the notifications, all the informations related to my all videos. Yes, so come to the point. Just I'm telling to all of you some important tips and tricks in this video. And so my dear friend, without further delay, I think we should start this video because time is very precious. So without wasting any precious time, without wasting any single moment, we start this video. So please, this video is very important. Just so please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and watch this video till the end. So yes, my dear friends, just I'm talking about some tips and tricks related to this journey, related to this learning language, related to this speaking skill. So dear friends, you know very well this is a global language, this is a international language. You know, everybody can understand this language very easy because it is it plays very vital role in the life of every person. You know, whenever you go outside of country and in our country, anywhere, anytime, so if you know about this language, so you feel so comfortable, you feel so energetic, you feel so confident. Yes, because of this language, because everybody feel comfortable, yes, from this language. So it is very important to know about this language. And it is a language, it's not a subject. Yes, we are taking this language like a language, not a subject. So it is a time taking process. If you think that just I will learn this language within 15 days, within 20 days, within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months, so I think this is totally wrong, totally wrong, because this is a language and it will take time. It will take time. It is a time taking process. My dear friends, you know very well what I'm trying to say. So it is a journey, not a race. It is a journey, not a race. So we have to patience. We have to patience. If we want to improve our speaking skill, if we want to achieve fluency in this language, so it is very very necessary and compulsory to have patience. Yes, if we want to learn this language, so just to be, we should enjoy this journey, we should enjoy this journey. And if you think that no 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 no, just I will learn this language within 15 days, 20 days, so it's totally wrong. It's totally wrong according to me. I don't know about your opinion, but according to me, in my opinion, it is totally wrong. We can't learn this language within 10 days, 20 days, 30 days, 1 month. It is a time taking process. It will take time. So, my dear friends, nowadays I'm doing practice like this because I know very well one day I will improve myself. I will improve my speaking skill, but not fastly, gradually, gradually. Yes, just I'm doing like this. I'm learning this language gradually, gradually. So, dear friends, if you think that if I will become perfect through this language, if I get fluency, if I will get fluency in this language after like if I know all the things, everything like tenses, sentences, idioms, phrases, vocabulary, so many things. If you think that just I will get fluency, I will learn everything after that, I will start to speak in front of camera. I will start to learn this language. So you are wrong. You are totally wrong. Yes. So this is not fair. My dear friends, don't forget about perfectness because no one is perfect. No one is perfect. Everybody do mistakes. Everybody makes mistake. Yes. So if you think that I will learn everything, I will learn everything, after that I will start my speaking journey, after that I will start my English journey, so it is totally wrong. So please 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 don't forget about the perfectness, because you know very well that if you want to get fluency in this language, if you want to speak well in this language, so you should start from today, from now. If you want to achieve, if you want to speak this language and without fear, you have to speak without fear. You will have to speak in front of camera, in front of mirror, without fear, without hesitation. And just there is no doubt one day you will get fluency in this language if you will have you have maintained your consistency. Yes, if you have learned this language gradually, step by step, one by one. So according to me, it is a time taking process. And just forget about this. If when I will learn everything, after that I will start my journey. So dear friends, it is totally wrong. I'm not agree about this opinion. If you want to learn this language, so please 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 start from today, start from now. I think you will agree with my opinion. Yes. And I feel this kind of things, like we should learn this language gradually. So dear friends, according to me, according to my opinion, uh, this journey is very important. You know very well that nowadays, in the present time, English plays very vital role in the life of every person. Very vital role. And everyone wants to learn this language very fastly. Yes. And everyone want to learn this language because of his professionalism, professional life, because of achieving so many kind of achievements. And everyone wants to learn this language for his success life and for his professional life. So many reasons just can be, but according to me, if you want to learn this language, so you will have to take a step without fear, without hesitation. So my dear friends, we have to patience about this journey, because it will take time. And no doubt everybody wants to learn this language very fastly, but they don't know about their fluency, because if we want to get fluency in this language, so it will not come fastly. Yes, it will take time. So please start from today, and do practice more and more, alone at home with your co-learners. If you don't have any if you don't have any practice partners, so please practice alone at home. Talk to yourself, talk with nature, and so many things available present. Just you talk to yourself, and you can talk in front of camera, and you can do practice through the and in the present time, so many apps of different kinds in English available in your Android phone. So please download apps related to English, related to in this language, and do practice on that platforms. Yes, social media platforms. So I think you will be agree about my opinion. And one more thing is that don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for the perfect time, because perfect time never comes. Only you have to make it perfect. Yes, so don't wait for the perfect time. Please, if you want to improve yourself, if you want to improve your personality, if you want to learn this language, so please, it's a humble request to all of you. Please start from today. Start from here. And one day, one day, if you are doing making mistakes, if you are doing making grammatical mistakes, so many kind of different types of mistakes, so please don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Please start speaking, and speak with full confidence, with full confidence, with full energy. Yes, just so please express your thoughts, your ideas through English, and start your journey from today. So my dear friends, I think you are agree with my opinion, and you have also this kind of views, thoughts. So according to me, I just nowadays I'm doing practice like this. So I shared all of tips and tricks, whatever tips and tricks I had in my opinion. So you are agree with my opinion. If you are agree with my opinion, so please tell me by commenting, and follow these kind of tips and tricks. Follow these kind of tips and tricks, means don't wait for the perfect time. Just start from today. And perfect time never comes. Just you have to make it perfect. I think it is enough for today. And please keep watching, keep supporting. And if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, so please subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon, and share this video everywhere. So, dear friends, I think it is enough for today. And please keep watching, keep supporting, and take care of yourself. We will meet next video. Till that, keep watching. Bye bye.